Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from a spot we have not been in a while. We are at Kroger and we're about to get into some really good grocery deals. So y'all, I slowed down on the grocery deals after my son went back to school because I wasn't grocery shopping as much. But now that I'm kind of more into a schedule and a rhythm, I would definitely want to get back into these deals. So we're going to be pulling up to Kroger whenever they do have some really good deals. And this week is one of those weeks. Now, my store does not have their tags up yet, so keep that in mind as I move through the store today. I've noticed that the stuff is not tagged yet, but I will tell you these deals and these prices. And we're going to start off with an awesome moneymaker on pasta sauce. So today was the start of a brand new mega event, and so this is buy 5 or more participating items and you are going to save $1 on each one. Well, the Bertolli pasta sauce is included in that sale. So these are on sale for $1.79 after we save $1 with the mega event. So we're going to pick up a total of 4 bottles today. Let me show you how this deal is going to work. So we are going to be picking up 4 of these bottles for $1.79. That's going to total us up to $7.16 that we're going to pay at the register, no coupons. But then we're going to submit back to 2 different rebate apps and we are going to get all that money back. First rebate is going to be at Swag Bucks. We're going to get back $3 for each set of 2. And this deal has a limit of 2 times that we can do it. So that's why I'm picking up 4. That's going to give us back $6. That'll make all 4 of them just $1.16. But then we're also going to submit to checkout 51 for 80 cents back on each one. That is going to give us back another $3.20. So that is going to make all 4 of these completely free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. Swag Bucks is coming through. They have been doing a lot of good stuff lately. If you are not signed up, use my link that I have in the description box. You'll also get a $5 bonus when you submit that first receipt for these. So that is a really good deal. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to pick up all 4 of these and we're going to have $2 in profit. So since we're getting our free plus moneymaker pasta sauce, we may as well get some pasta this week as well. So these are actually on sale for $1.19 at my store, but they're at some stores for as low as 99 cents. So be on the lookout for that pricing too in your area. But even at $1.19, we can pick up 2 boxes. That'll be $2.38 for 2 of them. Keep in mind, we made $2 with the pasta sauce. So our pasta sauce could pay for a couple boxes of our pasta. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of these because I like to stay stocked up on the pasta. So I'm gonna grab 4 of these for $1.19 today, no coupons. This toilet paper is such a good deal this week. I wish my store had more, but they only had 2 packs. So these are $4.99 and then they are included in the mega event, which brings us down to $3.99. And then we have a $1 digital coupon that you can use. Or if you're like me and you still have the paper coupons, you can use the $2 paper coupon and that will bring you down to just $1.99 per pack. Now, when I scan this baby on Ibotta, it is pulling up for the $1 rebate for the Scott 1000. So also keep that in mind that you may have an additional $1 in savings there. That makes these just 99 cents each. The next deal I'm grabbing is the Sara Lee Smooth Multigrain Bread. So we have 100% back on Fetch Rewards on these with a limit of 1. I'm gonna do it on my account and my husband's account because free bread, you cannot beat it. And this is good bread, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this free bread. While I'm here, we're gonna get 2 of these. One deal that I won't be able to grab today, but is another Swag Bucks moneymaker that you want to grab if your store has in stock, is on these Frutellas. So these are on sale 2 for $3 this week. My store is completely out, but they are 2 for $3. So we want to pick up 4 of them because of the limits of the offers that we have on Swag Bucks. We're going to get back $3 for every 2 with a limit of 4. So I would max this deal out. I would pick up 4 of them for $6. You want to pay that $6, no coupons, but then submit back to Swag Bucks for the $6, making them completely free. But then it gets even better because we also have 50 cents back on checkout 51 for each one, which will make them a $2 moneymaker after checkout 51. The next deal I grabbed is the Clorox bleach. This is another swag bucks deal. So these are $3.69 regular price. Two of them are going to total me up to $7.38. I have a digital coupon for $1.50 off of two, and then I am going to pay $5.88 at the register and submit back to swag bucks for $4, which is 400 swag bucks. That'll make these 94 cents each. So I decided to put these back and actually grab them from Walgreens again instead, because Walgreens has these on sale for $2.79. And we do have the same $1.50 digital coupon over there. So you could grab two of them and they would end up being just 4 cents if you do shop at Walgreens. These Kellogg Club Cracker Crisp are a great deal this week. So these are going to be $2.19 with our mega event pricing. So they are included in the mega event. We have $1 off of two printable coupon that you can get from the Kellogg's Family Reward site that would leave you to pay $3.38 at the register. So you want to pay the $3.38 and then submit back for $1 on each bag on Ibotta. That makes your final price $1.38 for both, or just 69 cents each. Shopkick has a really nice deal on the Lunchables. They have a bundle right now that is giving back $5.80 if you pick up 3 specific types of these Lunchable kits that are $3.49 each. We also have a $1 digital coupon that you could use. That would leave you to pay $9.47 for 3. Then you get $5.80 back from Shopkick. It'll make these only $1.22 each. I decided to grab the Cinnamon Toast Crunch because we have double rebates on Ibotta. So these are on sale mega event for $1.99 each. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have one on the coupons app. I'm going to use the digital. That's going to leave me to pay $2.98 at the register. But then I'm going to get back $2 from Ibotta, 50 cents for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch rebate on each one, and then I'll also get back $1 for the General Mills rebate. That'll make my final cost just 49 cents each. Now I also got back 500 points from Fetch Rewards for these babies, which actually brought me down to $0.25 each. So definitely check your Fetch to see if you have any offers there. The Pillsbury Crescent Rolls are a really nice deal this week. They are 50% off here, and they're also 50% off at Publix this week if you want to grab them there instead. But at Kroger, they're $1.74 each. You can submit back to the coupons app for $1 in cash back. And then we also have 50 cents back on Ibotta. So I'm going to pick up 3 of them since the coupon is $1 off of 3. And then I will end up with a final price of them costing $2.72 or just 92 cents each. The Suave deodorant is going to be our next moneymaker. These are actually on the buy 5 save 5 this week, and they are ringing out for $1.29 after the mega event savings. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be picking up a total of 4 of these for $1.29 each, mega event pricing, and then I'm going to be using 2 of the $2 off of 2 printable coupons from the Suave email list. That'll bring them down to just 29 cents each. But you guys, we have 50 cents back on Ibotta on each one of these. That's going to give us back at least $2 or $2.50 if you haven't gotten your Suave bonus. At bare minimum, these should be free, plus an 84-cent moneymaker. And if you get that bonus, these are free plus $1.34 moneymaker. On a second receipt, I'm also going to grab some of these Suave body washes too. These are also on mega event pricing, but they're 99 cents with mega event pricing. So we're going to use these $2 off of 2 coupons on these and grab them for completely free. When you have paper coupons like this on a mega event deal, always have your paper coupon scanned first and then enter in your phone number after your paper coupons have been applied to assure that you have no issues at the register. And the Suave Kids body wash is also included in that 99-cent pricing, so you can grab these free with the 2 off of 2 coupon. The Dove Men's body wash is the next deal I'll be grabbing, so these are actually $4.49 with the mega event pricing. So we'll pay $4.49. We have a $2 digital coupon that'll bring us down to $2.49 at the register. And then I'm going to submit back to Fetch Rewards for 2,000 points, which is $2. It'll make the final price for one of these only 49 cents. The Breakstones is also a really good deal this week. No coupons required. This is only 99 cents for the sour cream. The Kroger half-gallon milk is just $1.29 with the digital coupon this week. That's a really good price. A few other items I probably will be grabbing later in the week are the Simple Truth lean ground turkey. These are only $2.99 with the digital coupon this week. We also have $1.99 bags of potatoes, which are great for so many different meals. And we also have $1.99 Frito-Lay's chips when you buy 4 with this digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in this Kroger trip, or at least my first Kroger trip for this week, because I have a feeling that I will be back, but this is going to be a really good deal. And this is almost an all digital haul. These are the only paper coupons that I'm going to be using right here. We got the Scott, the Kellogg's, and then the Suave coupons. Everything else is digital or a rebate. So let's go check out, and then we will debrief to see how this went. So I wanted to show you how I actually check out at self-checkout. So here is everything that I've scanned, and I have not scanned or entered in my Kroger card information. And as you can see, my total is almost $90, which y'all know we are not gonna pay. So after I scan everything, I go on ahead and scan my paper coupons. After I've scanned all of my paper coupons, I have to hand them over to the attendant, and then I go back and I enter in my Kroger card information and let all of the savings and the mega event sale pricing apply. And then that is the total that we will pay, and we will submit our receipt over to the rebate apps. So here's a close-up of my receipt. Everything worked out well with my transaction. The only issue that I had was my $2 digital for the Dove Men's body wash did not apply, and that is my error because I forgot to clip it. So I actually returned that Dove Men's body wash, so I got that $4.49 back, and then I'll just repurchase it when I do my next transaction and pick up more Suave. So here is a final breakdown of everything that I got today in my Kroger haul. After I returned that body wash, my new total was $33.41. I got back $14.60 from Ibotta. I got back $6 from Swag Bucks. I got back $4.20 from Fetch. And Fetch did not pick up the Dove Men's body wash on my receipt either. And I didn't bother with correcting it because I knew I was returning it. The $3.20 I got back from Checkout 51. And then I also got back $1 from the coupons app. That makes my final cost for today's trip only $4.41, which I think is incredible for everything that we got. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, especially if you are a Kroger shopper. I would love to have you here as a part of my coupon family. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.